What is this district clerk?
This is for Myra Ridgway, Your Honor.
Thank you. All right, ladies and gentlemen, we're back on the live stream, resuming the docket, and the court is calling case number 217-220-311, Myra Roletta Ridgway. And the charge is allowing a driver with no license to drive. Ms. Ridgway, if you're in the virtual courtroom, please say your name for the record.
Myra Ridgway.
Thank you. And who's representing Ms. Ridgway?
I am, Your Honor. My name is Paul Zosel, ZOSELP 22757 on behalf of Ms. Ridgway.
Thank you, Mr. Zozo. How do you wish to proceed with
There's
Ms.?
an offer from the people that is Ms. Ridgway is to plead guilty or responsible, that be a 3-month delayed sentence, at which time she has no more issues with the court or the legal system. The case will be dismissed.
Okay. Thank you, Ms. Ridgway. This is a misdemeanor offense, so it will be a plea of guilty. Ms. Ridgway, you've heard the representation of your lawyer. Are you in agreement with that representation?
Yes, I am.
Ms. Ridgway, were you advised of your right to a trial?
Yes.
And ma'am, normally, if you were to have a trial, it would take place in person inside of the 36th District Court. But because of the pandemic, the courthouse has been closed to the public. And so you've agreed to participate on the Zoom technology today. Is that correct?
That's correct.
Ms. Ridgway, did you have an opportunity to speak to your attorney about all of your rights?
Yes.
Ma'am, did anyone threaten you, force you, or promise you anything in exchange for your plea?
No.
Are you pleading guilty of your own free will?
Yes.
Are you pleading guilty because you are in fact guilty?
Yes.
And do you understand that by pleading guilty, you will be waiving or giving up your right to a trial? I didn't hear you.
Yes.
Thank you. Ms. Ridgway, please raise your right hand and be sworn. Ma'am, do you swear or affirm that the testimony you're about to give is the truth to the best of your knowledge and belief?
Yes.
You may lower your hand. On the date, the time, and the location indicated in the ticket ending in 20311. Ms. Ridgway, did you allow someone who was unlicensed to drive a motor vehicle that you own in the city of Detroit?
Yes, I did.
Mr. Zozel, are you satisfied with the factual basis?
Yes, Your Honor.
The court will accept the guilty plea. Being satisfied with the factual basis, we will accept the recommendation to delay the sentence for 3 months. That is an opportunity for you to have this matter dismissed, provided you have no new tickets of this nature. Ms. Ridgway, and you have paid the costs and fines I'm going to assess. Who was driving this vehicle? Do you know?
Yes, I do.
Who was it?
It was my husband.
Your husband, and he doesn't have a driver's license?
Yes, ma'am. We're working on it.
Okay. All right. The fine is going to be $125. Madam Clerk, is there a mandatory connected to this charge?
Well, normally the statutory fees, Your Honor, are $190.
Okay.
And then your fine is in addition to that.
Okay. So $190, and then I'll reduce my fee to $100. So $290 is the total for you, Ms. Ridgway, and we can give you 30 days to pay. Is that going to be adequate time?
I'll make it work, Your Honor.
Okay. 30 days. Any other questions, Ms. Ridgway?
No, ma'am.
All right. And you know you can pay that online at 36districtcourt.org or on the DivDat app.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. Mr. Zozo, anything further?
No, thank you, Your Honor. We appreciate it.
All right, then you may both disconnect.
Bye for now.
Bye-bye.